Today, we're going to take a broader look at how we can create an environment that supports our self-control goals and allows us to tap into a state of flow. What is a flow? Have you ever been so absorbed in an activity that you lost track of time? Maybe you were working on a project, playing a sport, or creating art. You were fully immersed in the moment, effortlessly engaged, and experiencing a sense of enjoyment and fulfillment. That's what we call flow. Flow is actually a mental state where we are completely focused on the task at hand. Our skills are perfectly matched to the challenge and we're performing at our best. It's a state of optimal experience where we feel energized, motivated, and fully alive. Why is flow even important for self-control? When we're in a state of flow, self-control becomes effortless. We're so absorbed in what we are doing that distractions and temptations simply fade away. We're fully present, focused on our goals, and able to resist impulsive behaviors. But how do we create an environment that fosters flow? Let's explore some of the key strategies. Creating your productivity zone. Your physical environment can have a significant impact on your focus and productivity. And here are some tips for creating a space that supports your self-control goals. First thing to do is to declutter your workspace. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind. Keep your workspace clean and organized, removing any unnecessary distractions. Secondly, focus on lighting. Natural light is ultimately the best one, but if that's not possible, make sure your workspace is well lit with bright, cool-toned lighting. Thirdly, keep the temperature comfortable, neither too hot nor too cold. A comfortable environment will help you focus better. Sound is another important factor to consider. Some people work best in silence while others prefer background noise. Experiment to find what works for you. If you need quiet, consider noise-canceling headphones or a white noise machine. Finally, just add the personal touches that make your workspace feel inspiring and inviting. This could be photos, plants, or meaningful objects. Finding your flow. Here are some tips to help you tap into that state of flow. First and foremost, choose the right task. Find the task that is challenging but not overwhelming. It should be something that stretches your abilities but is still within your grasp. Second, know what you want to achieve with the task. Having a clear goal will help you stay focused and motivated. The next step is to eliminate the distractions. Turn off your phone, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and let others know you need uninterrupted time. Fourth, use a ritual or routine to signal to your brain that it's time to focus. This could be as simple as putting on the headphones or making a cup of tea. The last and most important step is to be patient. It may take some time to get into a state of flow. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen immediately. Keep practicing and you'll find it easier to enter the state over time. Your personalized productivity strategy. Ultimately, the best way to create a productive environment and find flow is to experiment and find what exactly works for you. Everyone is different, so don't be afraid to try the different strategies until you find the perfect combination. Incorporate flow-inducing practices into your routine to boost your self-control and achieve your goals.